This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition option or the fingerprint screen lock. So go into password and security category of settings, tap at the fingerprint section over here, then choose what backup screen lock method you would like to go for. Next, you will need to set this backup screen lock method up. After that, we will be able to start enrolling the fingerprint. So the scanner is located at the side power key over here. So continuously lay and lift your finger onto the sensor until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned. Make sure to slightly move and rotate your finger so each zone and corner of your fingerprint will be enrolled and registered. Now let's test it out and see how well it works. Works just fine if you ask me. The next option that I wanted to demonstrate, you can find at the display and brightness category. It is called the refresh rate. So basically two values you can opt for, either 60 or 120 Hz. The higher value, as you can see from these animations, will get you smoother visuals, and the lower or standard value of 60 Hz will help you to conserve the battery, or to put it in other words, will reduce the power consumption. The following option you can find at the, well, I've accidentally reduced the refresh rate, so let me get it back to high. So the following feature I wanted to highlight you can find at the wallpapers and style. It is the always on display itself. So in order to enable it, you need to turn the switch on, then choose whether you would like for some contextual information to be shown, for example, musical playback. Not all apps support it. In here you can see the list of applications that do. Then you can customize its appearance and design. That required a lot of system-provided and personalized designs to choose from. You can even set up your own one. So for example, you can opt for the text and image, upload some custom picture, and well, customize it, enter some text, change the alignment of the text, location, the character spacing of your custom text, and line spacing. And not forget to apply the changes, and that's how your AOD looks like. But this phone, as you could have already noticed from this name, is flippable. So we have another additional screen over here with its own AOD. But unfortunately, as you can see, the AOD on the main screen, it looks like that. And the only thing that we get for the additional display is, well, time. We also have at the AOD page, we also had the or not AOD, at the personalization page, we also had the cover screen style, which you can change over here, but we will get back to it later. Moving on, I wanted to show the whole unique to this phone section of settings that is called Foldable Features. In here, you can change the style of the cover screen, as I've already shown. So you can change the AOD style over here, change what information will be shown, how it will look like exactly, enter your custom text as well. Unfortunately, as you can see, the cover screen does not support you the image upload, but still, it is still great to have some configuration in place. You can also change the clock design, or, well, actually you can kinda have a picture by setting the Bitmoji as your cover face AOD. And now I guess the preferences were applied, so let's see how they look. Alrighty, here you have it. So there are actually some personalizations present as for the cover screen always on display, so that's a good thing to know. In here you can also change the wallpaper. for your cover screen, change the text color, or even set the interactive paths. So let's test it out. See what it will look like exactly. So here's my interactive cat. As you can see, I can play with him by tapping on this cat. So a very cool and cute thing to have. In here you can also change the widgets that will be displayed alongside the lock screen. So right now in my case that's camera, weather, events and timer widgets. You can add some other ones, let's say recorder or wireless earphones, but there are not a lot of widgets supported as for right now, so you'll have to wait for the OPPO to add some more. But you can still, well, customize your widget list. Let me actually show how you can access those widgets. That's nothing complicated. Just swipe your screen. Well, swipe your screen to the left or to the right, respectively, if you would like to get back to the previous cover faces or cover screens. And well, we are moving on to the fifth and final feature that I wanted to highlight today. This one, it is not like visual, it is more about the system performance improvement. So enter the additional settings, then go for the memory, or not here, excuse me. Enter the about device category, then go for the RAM, and in here you will be able to extend your random access memory amount by either 4, 6 or 8 gigabytes. What this feature does, it allocates the chosen amount of gigabytes for virtual RAM, as you can read from here. So it will help the actual hardware RAM that is installed inside this device's frame and will boost your system performance and system capabilities. But in order for the RAM expansion feature to be applied and take effect, you will need to reboot your device. So restart the phone, and after the system gets reloaded, you'll be able to start using all the benefits and advantages that the RAM expansion feature provides you with. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions left, do not hesitate to leave them at the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.